Yes, yes, yes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. They're gonna come from one probably. Oh, big lamp. Come right side, guys, right side. Come right. Wait. We go behind them. Oh, behind us, spinner group. We can push Aquila. Let's go, buff up. Go on this left. Full deep. 20 seconds. Be careful. Take positions. Back up a bit. 5 seconds. Look at this clamp Aquila. 5. Many on me. Big. Nice. Fourth one. Getting fourth one. 20 seconds. Let me collision. 10 seconds. We go from right side. Aquila, wait. Look behind us. We can go on the okay on the mounts. Nice. Back up. Nice. Back up a bit. Nice buffs. Need some mana, please. 10 seconds. I'm dead. Fourth one. I'm fourth one, guys. I'm coming. Need shields. Going. Oh, fuck, what the fuck? Fourth one. Bro, something one tap me. Wait. Wait, Aquila. Regroup, guys. Tank, come back, please. We need your buffs, brother. Come back, please. Fourth one. Ready? We can go left side. Aquila. Let's go, buff up. Let's go, full deep. Okay. Fourth one. Spin 20. Spin still 20. Let me collision. 10 seconds. We can go on left, yes, but full deep. 5 seconds. 5. Ready? Let's go. Buff up. On this, Aquila, on this. Tell them. Yeah. It's okay. I didn't spin. I kept the spin. I need shields. Let's go. Turn, Aquila, turn. Go. They cut me. So many on us, guys. Fourth one. Bubble time. Okay. Spin 20. Need shields, guys. 10 seconds. Tank, try to hear the spin time so we buff all together, okay? Please. 5 seconds. We can go, Aquila. Ready? I'm Delu. 20 seconds. Try to back up a bit. We can go behind them, guys. Follow me, please. Tank, come with us, please, if you can. They found us. It's okay, it's okay. Get the grapple and go spin. Buff up. Get the grapple and go full deep. Aquila. Pull them, pull them, pull them. Nice, back up a bit. 20 seconds again. Now I need some mana, please. Turn left, come left side. Come left side. 10 seconds. Okay, let's go, let's go. Nice, back up, back up, back up. Try to back up, guys. 20 seconds. Nice, nice. We can watch right side. Right side and go from right to left. Okay, 5 seconds. Ready, 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 ready. Go full deep, Aquila. Okay, we're good. 10 seconds. Be careful, Aquila, don't die, please. 10 seconds. Look on left. Okay, look on left. 5. Ready. Go. Be careful, be careful. 20 seconds. I can't hit some guys. I don't know why. Uh, we can go, we can go. We can go, Aquila, left, left. We're good, we're good. We don't die here, we don't die. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, no problem, no problem. Port one again. I'm ready to spin, by the way. We can go. We can go from right side, from right side. Look what happened in Portal 3. Let's go, let's go. Move all together, move all together. Let's go, go. Okay, we kinda missed this one. I'm gonna die here. No. Try to back up a bit. I need 30 seconds. Wait, 20, I need 20. Let me collision a bit, please. 10 seconds. Let me collision. Look at this. In 5 seconds we can go. Aquila, buff up. Look at this, look at this. Big one, big one. Back up, back up, back up. Bro, this SNS is crazy. We don't die. We don't die. Port one, I'm ready to spin. Guys. Kill, and go on this. Yeah, yeah. Let's go on this one. Push, Aquila. Oh, so many. Try to back up. Unlucky. Port 1. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. For spin, need a pickup. Nice. 5 seconds. Oh, they are pushing a lot. 3 seconds. Let's go, Aquila. Let's go. Bro, I think you need the new SNS, bro. It's broken. 10 seconds. We can go on this, Aquila. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Move. Ready, 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 ready. Okay. Yeah, this tough guy is crazy damage, bro. I can do shit. Oh, they port one. They port one at the pickup. At the pickup. 10 seconds for me. Looks like they spawn one. 10 seconds. We turn on port one. Oh, really? Aquila, look behind us. I need a heal, guys. Let's go. Ah, fucking dead. Port one. Port one. Tank buff ready. We can go next to the stone. Next to the stone. Look, Murdoch. Look on this. Look on this clamp. Not many, bro. Not many. They split up. Uh, yeah, we need to do something, bro. Look, port one. Port one. Port one. Here. 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 Dilo. Crazy. I'm one. Need 30 seconds now. We miss. Yeah, this guy, bro, needs to skull. Crazy damage. Port one. Tank, if you can manage the skull guy, please. The skull. Look, the skull. 10 seconds. Killa. Look on left. Look on left. 3. Look. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10 it, bro. Bro, the damage is crazy. The damage we're getting is crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, let's go. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. What the fuck? 5 seconds. Look on this clamp, Aquila. Oh, fuck this guy. Port one, port one. I need like 20 seconds here. Bro. Okay, guys. Regroup portal one. Regroup. And look left side. Look at this clamp, guys. Look at this clamp. Let's go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Look at left. Look at left. 5. Let's go. Nice. Aquila port one again. 10 seconds for the next man. Look at left again. 3 seconds. Yeah. Many on me. Look at that. Look on tank. Killa. Tell them. So many, bro. I can move. Can you tell again? I didn't spin. Tell them. Nice, big. Port one. 20 for spin. Or they spawn on one again, okay? 10 seconds for me. We can turn on this, Aquila. 5 sec. Look at the right side. Look at right side. They're all coming. Ready. Nice, brother. Simple, eh? I try to move, but this guy is for. They don't do damage with this SNS, bro. Okay, port one. Ready to spin. Look on in the stone. Right in the stone. Let's go. Buff up. 20 seconds. Get the spinner. Yeah. 10 seconds and look left side. 5 seconds. Okay, buff. Okay, buff up. Let's go, Attila. They cut me. It was good, but we fucked up. 10 seconds. Oh. Yeah. We can assist, bro. Because I try to find the clubs. Look on left side, Aquila. Ready. Look at this. Nice. 20 seconds. I need to do some collisions. 10 seconds. And look at this clump. 5 seconds, you can go, Aquila. 5 seconds. Yeah. Nice. Ah, fuck. I didn't Q block. My bad. Port one. Speed 20. They're coming from one. Spawn bar. 10 seconds. We can go in 10 seconds. Okay. Hear the spinner, please. I try to move. No. Port one. And ready to spin. We rush. We don't have time to stay AFK. I'm here with you. Look left. Aquila, look left. All the pieces. I try to move. I try. Yeah, go. Full deep left. It's okay. I still have the spin, brother. Look at this. Look at this clamp. Yeah, this is crazy. All the stuff's hitting me, bro. I can't move. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. And we look on left. Okay. Wait, Aquila, wait. Save Aquila. I'm dead. Yeah, the fucking longbow's one tap. Port one. And we go left of the stone. Let's go. Yeah, they'll get the spinner, please. 10 seconds. Be careful. The stuffs. 5 seconds. And look left. Look left, Aquila. Left, big club. Fuck. They can't split. 20 seconds. I need. Many on me. Port 1. Which I can port 3 guys. Oh no. No, no, no. Port 1. I'm 1. I'm in 1. Ready to spin. Aquila. Look left. Look left. Big club. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. Nice. Okay, they don't like us. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And left again. Left again. 5 seconds. Need mana, please. Wait, wait, Aquila, wait. Ready now? Okay, we did. Port 1. Port 1 need. Okay, okay. We'll wait. Yeah, yeah, one. Aquila, wait. 10 seconds. I need 10 seconds, please. Look at left. Look at left. Come from left. Ready. Let's go. Tell them. It's okay, it's okay. Try to back up. They don't kill us here. They can. Nice, guys. 10 seconds. And look left again. 5 seconds. Yeah, yeah, I see. Let's go. In the stone, in the stone. Go, Aquila. Ah, fuck, they cut. Get the spinner, please. Come inside the cup. Come. Try to be in the stone, guys. 20 seconds for spin. Be careful, be careful. I need some kills, guys. 5 seconds and look at the left. Oh, fuck. Something one tap me. Wait. I'm coming. Ready to spin Aquila. Let's go left. Nice. My bad. 20, just 20 seconds. Fucking Delos, bro. What the fuck they are doing? Need 5 seconds. And look left. Look left, Aquila. Yeah, Aquila. Let's go tell them. It's okay. I need 10 seconds. We still have time. 3 seconds. GG's. Damn, it's crazy, bro. GG's. Ah, they had two spinners.